TBS News, I'm Ron Chang. The daily number of new coronavirus infections in South Korea hit a fresh height today, nearing 8,000 for the first time since the pandemic began more than a year and a half ago. The Korea Disease Control and Prevention Agency said it confirmed 7,815 new cases in the last 24 hours, for a total of 536,495. Nearly 6,000 of them were reported in the greater Seoul area. The KDCA also said the number of critically ill patients increased to 964, up 58 from the previous day. 70 more people succumbed to the disease, pushing the death toll to 4,456. There is concern of a further spread of the disease this winter as people spend much of their time indoors. This has prompted the government to push for vaccine booster shots, as well as encourage teens to get inoculated. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Kim Boo-kyum said that strict social distancing rules will soon be reintroduced. Kim told an interagency meeting that existing quarantine and distancing measures need to be beefed up. He said they could include further caps on private social gatherings and curfews for multi-use facilities such as restaurants. They are expected to be announced on Friday and stay in effect for 2 weeks through the end of the year. Reducing the allowed number of people for gatherings from the current 6 to 4 and setting a curfew of either 10 p.m. or midnight is reportedly being discussed. The World Health Organization says the Omicron variant of the coronavirus is spreading at an unprecedented rate. It has warned countries to act swiftly to rein in transmissions and protect their health systems. The BBC's Imogen Folks reports from Geneva.
Omicron has been confirmed in 77 countries. The WHO believes it is present in many more, and it's spreading so fast it risks overwhelming health services. Not because it's more severe than previous variants. There's not enough evidence yet to show that it is either more mild or more severe, but because it is so very infectious. The WHO also warned against mass booster campaigns. Boosters should not be given to those at low risk if it meant any more delay for millions who have yet to receive their first dose.
U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken highlighted on Tuesday the importance of the alliance between Washington and Seoul. In a speech at Universitas Indonesia in Jakarta, Blinken said the U.S. will deepen its alliances with South Korea, Japan, the Philippines, Thailand, and Australia for peace and stability in the Indo-Pacific region. He noted that the first two foreign leaders President Joe Biden hosted at the White House were from the region, South Korean President Moon Jae-in and former Japanese Prime Minister Yoshihide Suga. And no major damage was reported from yesterday's 4.9 magnitude earthquake off the coast of Jeju, Seokwipo City, but the Korean Meteorological Administration said 13 aftershocks with magnitudes of between 1.3 and 1.7 rattled the area until late last night. The initial quake was the strongest this year and largest since a 5.4 magnitude tremor hit Pohang, North Gyeongsang Province in November 2017. That's all for now. You're listening to TBS eFM.